Yeah, not quite yet, but it is on the move. That's the same system that's going to be hitting us as we head later towards this evening. I'm going to detail that in depth in a matter of moments. But you can see, look at this big system draped all the way down to the south. You can see going into the panhandle of Florida at this point. And then check out the cold side of this system back across Nebraska all the way up through Minnesota. You can see some of the purples dealing with some snow across that area. But this cold front will continue to trek off towards the east. We will have another front that's going to be moving in here. Clashing of the air masses, that's why we are going to be dealing with some severe weather as we go later this evening. This morning, visibility issues. We do have some patchy fog in some spots this morning. Zooming in, you can see where those darker grays are. So along I-695, that's really where they're getting the worst of it. Portions of 95 as well. So around Lithicum, Lansdowne, that's where you're going to be dealing with some patchy fog, the worst of the patchy fog, I should say. And then also across the eastern shore, just to the north of Peters Corner. And we are going to continue with improving conditions in terms of visibility as the morning goes along. But as that goes up, we will start to go downhill in the department of the severe weather, meaning that our chances are going to increase as we go throughout the day, especially if we get some sunshine in here. I know everybody loves to see the sunshine. It just makes you feel good, especially, you know, if we know we're going to get some rain in the forecast as well. But on days like today, when the atmosphere is really primed for that severe weather, the sunshine is not our friend. 60 degrees is that temperature right now in Laurel. Glen Burnie's coming in at 60. We're at 67 degrees right now in Preston and 68 in Oxford. So these numbers are quite mild this morning. Some areas you can even say warm. We're going to stay on the warm side as we go into the afternoon because we will be in that warm sector once again. So right now this is a stationary front, but this will continue to work its way off towards the north as a warm front. And when you're in the between the warm front and the cold front, that's the warm sector, and that's where you see those severe weather, or I should say severe thunderstorms or severe weather can fire in that area, and that's exactly what's going to be happening as we go through the rest of the day. Also, we're going to be talking about some very gusty conditions today as well, gusting up to about 35 miles an hour, possibly 40 in some spots as the day goes along. But here's that severe weather risk. Storm Prediction Center does have us in an enhanced risk, mainly everywhere, except for the yellows here. That's a slight risk, but no matter where you go today in Maryland, there is a chance for severe weather. So you definitely want to take heed, take precaution, download that Storm Shield weather app. Biggest threats definitely going to be damaging wind. And also, guys, I can't rule out maybe a couple of tornadoes as well. Back to you.